Hey. All right. Order in the court. We are now in the courtroom of Judge Judith Scheinland, a.k.a. me, Judge Judy. Now, let's get these proceedings underway. Mr. Tacopina, where is your client, the defendant? That's the thing, I don't know. I think he's still being processed or something. I'm right here, Your Honor. Oh, dear God. My disability has caused me to get a little trouble to get around the courthouse. President Trump, are you trying to Weinstein me right now? Your Honor, I'm a very sick old man. How could I have ever committed these crimes when I can barely get around the house? You're not helping. Shut up. Thank you, Your Honor. Ladies and gentlemen, in or around February of 2017, the defendant Donald J. Trump, with intention, falsified business records when settling campaign records for his 2016 presidential campaign. In or around October 2016, Donald Trump directed his personal attorney, Mr. Michael Cohen, to deliver hush money payments to Miss Stormy Daniels, or by her legal name, Stephanie Clifford, in order to buy her silence to hide an affair between her and Mr. Trump in 2007. Mr. Trump also directed Mr. Cohen to pay hush money to a woman by the name of Karen McDougal. That also having occurred in or around October or November of 2016. Now, if I can direct your attention to the board. You can see here by the indictment issued by the grand jury. There are 34 criminal charges against the defendant. Felony counts. This grand jury of the state of New York, by this indictment, accused the defendant, Mr. Donald J. Trump, of the crime of falsifying business records in the first degree, in violation of Penal Code 175.10. This listed 34 times, stating that in or around February 2017, Mr. Trump listed both hush money payments in campaign records as legal expenses. Falsifying business records is a felony in the state of New York. And my office will be prosecuting to the fullest extent of the law, no matter whether he's a candidate or not. And Mr. Bragg, all the charges are the same charge. Correct, Your Honor. And as I say again, my office will be prosecuting to the fullest extent of the law, no matter the threats of violence by the defendant. No one, not even the defendant, is above the law. I rest my case for the day. Right now to your plea, Mr. Trump. How are you willing to plead to the charges? All 34 charges of the same one? Your Honor, What's with the gasps in the courtroom? You just got out of the chair. You lied in court. Oh, my back. I plead not guilty to all the charges. This court is adjourned until December 4th. Yes. Hey. Oh. Alvin Bragg's gotta go. Hey. Oh. Alvin Bragg's gotta go. Hey, Marjorie, how you doing? I'm doing all right, President Trump. I'm just here protesting with Lauren here. Hey, since you ladies have been so supportive this morning, why don't you guys come to Mar-a-Lago with me tonight? I'm going to be giving a big, long speech to the nation. Okay. And there you see President Trump leaving the courthouse with two of his supporters, Marjorie Taylor Greene and Lauren Boebert, with Marjorie holding a sign, a protest sign with a doctored photo showing Joe Biden and Alvin Bragg laughing together. Crazy Marjorie, am I right, folks? To be continued later tonight in our next minisode. My fellow Americans, the Stormy Horseface Daniels witch hunt has gone further into trial. That judge looked me in the eye and gave me a mean stare. In case you don't know where the homes of all these witch hunters are, here's the home of Alvin Bragg, here's the home of that crazy judge, and here's the home of the New York Attorney General. Go to those three places and protest. DonaldJTrump.com. Go tonight, give the president some money to fight this bull.